Hey, what's up guys, Lashmajan from Tech Raman and I have here the Lenovo K6 Power. In this video, I'm going to talk about the features, tips and tricks you can do with this phone. Long press the home screen and you get the wallpapers, widgets, preference. Wallpapers and widgets are self-explanatory, so I don't have to talk about that in detail. Let's get into the preference. K5 Power has an Android launcher, so you have the app drawer. In case you don't want the app drawer, you can go to the preference and you can change the default launcher to YBY. You don't see the app drawer anymore and all the apps rest on the home screen. But if you choose to have the Android launcher, you also get additional settings for drawer. So you can change the drawer. So you can sort the apps in the drawer based upon the title name or the number of times you use the apps or the install time. You can also change the drawer background. In case you want to change the color to white or any other color, you can do it. Let's check the display settings. So in display settings, you can change the brightness level and the color mode. Color mode is restricted. You can change between normal as well as a vibrant. You also get a daydream, which can be enabled while charging, or you can start now so that it displays the clock or color or photo frame in the lock screen. There is also a cast screen, so in case you want to cast to another wireless display. And there is a LED notification setup where you can choose the LED notification for missed calls, unread messages or other. There is a brightness protection, but this is not the blue filter toggle, but enabling this brightness protection at night when you're reading or browsing dims the screen like this, which is good for eyes. K6 Power uses DOLBY ATMOS for its sound setup. By default, the DOLBY ATMOS is turned on, but you can choose to disable it. And there are different modes for DOLBY ATMOS like movie, music, game, voice. Also, you can make your own custom set where you can adjust the volume, dialogue enhancer or surround visualizer. You can double tap the volume key to turn on the camera app. Additionally, you can also double tap the power button to launch the camera app. When the screen is off, you can double tap to wake the screen. Then there is something called Smart Scene. In Smart Scene, you can have your own parameters for your phone. Say like you can choose your new scene, which can be lunch break, meeting, school, nighttime or sleep, or you can make your own custom scene where you can have a timed switch or bind app with the specific Wi-Fi network, or you can have a in-class scenes. So you can choose the certain task or the phone like when you are in office, you can keep it the volume as a vibrate, so between the certain time automatically the volume turns to vibrate mode or things like that. There is a floating dock which can be moved across the edges of the screen. The floating dock gives quick access to calculator, camera, switcher, lock screen, music, and it also displays the last accessed apps. Long press the power button. Tech gives you a VR mode switch. You can turn on the VR mode and the screen splits. So now the handset is ready to be used with a VR headset. K6 Power comes with the Theater Max technology, so you can use this phone in the VR mode and to have a big theater kind of experience when watching content. K6 Power also comes with a dual app profile. So with the dual app profile, you can have two instances of the same app. So you can have two apps running parallelly in the phone with two different accounts. So if you want to quickly access the flashlight, long press the home button and it switches on the flashlight. There is a power manager. K6 Power comes with a 4000 mAh battery and it has an awesome battery backup. But still, when you are almost done with your battery, you can enable the ultimate power saver, which turns the home screen to something like this. It disables the Wi-Fi data and it will only have the essentials like phone, contacts, SMS, calculator and calendar and clock, and the screen is in black and white for maximum use of the battery at the fag end. In storage and USB, you find something called trash cleaner. You can use this option to scan the phone and clear the junk files and uninstall residual files. Now let's see the fingerprint sensor features in this phone. If you want to snap a picture, all you need to do is touch the fingerprint ID and it takes a snap. Can we secure an app? Yes, of course you can secure an app with a fingerprint sensor. Go to the settings, go to the security, application lock, and it lists all the apps that you've found in the phone, and you can secure the apps, whichever apps you want to. So next time you try to open a secured app, it asks for the password, or you can use a fingerprint sensor to unlock those apps. K6 Power also comes with a secure zone management, which turns the phone into two phones within a phone. So you can have a public profile as well as a private zone, where you can have a different set of same instance of the apps. So where you can have a same instance of apps and you can have a secured content. So you can run a parallel app in the secure zone as well as a public profile. So you have a sensitive content stored in the secure zone, which will not be visible for others. There is a theme center which gives access to a bit of customization. So you can choose the various themes. You can choose the themes for the lock screen, wallpaper, for the dialer, and more importantly, you can also change the way the recent apps shows. So the recent apps are shown like this. This is the standard Android look. If you want, you can also change to the vibe look. So when you change to the vibe look, the recent apps can be accessed like this and closed like this. K6 Power supports call recording. Go to the contacts and you find the automatic call recording. Tap on that and you can have an automatic call recording service enabled. You can record all the calls, or you can all the calls from contacts or from unknown contacts, and you can also manage the record contacts here. So these are the features that comes with the K6 Power. Hope you in this video. Give us a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is Lakshmajan signing off for Tech Raman. Have a great day. Cheers.